Okay, let's get started. We're going to do some practice with naming alkanes. Alkanes, as you know, are hydrocarbons that have only single bonds between the carbon atoms. Single bond, single bond, single bond. No double bonds. How we'll name an alkane is the same each time. We'll start by highlighting the longest continuous chain. Here's the longest continuous chain in this first example. It's 4 carbon atoms long. You know that the root for 4 carbons is bute, so we'll write that, B-U-T, bute. Since it's an alkane, the word ends in ane, A-N-E. Then we look to see if there are any other groups attached to the longest carbon chain, and there are not. Hydrogens don't count as a group. So this is just a simple alkane that's not nothing attached, and we would name it as this, butane. How about this example? Let's take a look at the next example. The next example, again, we'll start by highlighting the longest continuous chain. Notice that as long as I can keep on tracing with my highlighter, that's a continuous chain. It did have a few bends in it, but I didn't need to pick up my highlighter or move it. I'm able to, in one single stroke, highlight all the carbons, so those are all part of one single continuous chain. And I can count how many are in that chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you know, the root for 6 is hex, so I'll write hex. Ane, because it's an alkane, there are no carbon-carbon double bonds, they're all single bonds. And nothing is branched off. These are not branches here. These are all part of the single continuous chain, the parent chain. So this is hexane. How do things look when you have a ring? This is a ring, this is a ring, this is a ring. Those are all named in the same way. First, we make sure you note where are the carbons. The carbons are here, 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 and here. 4. 4 carbons, of course, is bute. It's ane, butane, because it's an alkane, and it will be cyclobutane. Cyclo meaning circle. Technically this is a square, of course, but circle just means in a loop or a ring. So cyclobutane. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pent. That's pent. The ending is ane because it's alkane. Cyclo because it's a ring. Cyclopentane. 6 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons will be cyclohexane. Cyclohexane for this one. In the next video, we'll take a look at how we name alkanes when there's something attached to the longest parent chain.